In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to perform cleaning and maintenance on a bean-to-cup coffee machine. Regular cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep your coffee machine running efficiently, as well as prevent build-up and bacteria. It also extends the machine's lifespan and avoids costly repairs down the line. Depending on your make and model of coffee machine, you may need to clean different parts at periodic points. Please refer to your instruction manual for specific cleaning advice for your machine. If your machine has a milk frother, ensure that you clean it after each use. This helps keep it working properly and reduces the chance of bacteria build-up. Next, ensure that you clean accessories such as the drip tray and nozzles regularly. Please refer to your instruction manual for guidance on how to remove accessories for cleaning. We recommend wiping any seals once a week to prevent build-up, which could stop the machine working correctly. Each coffee machine will have specific requirements when it comes to cleaning the water tank. The one shown in this video requires you to rinse the tank with fresh water. Additionally, a warning light may flash on your machine when it requires you to change the water filter, if it has one. Refer to your instruction manual for specific guidance on cleaning the water tank on your machine. We recommend cleaning the water tank once a week. Many bean-to-cup coffee machines have a removable unit inside, which will require cleaning and maintenance, including lubrication. It is important to check your user manual to ensure that you perform the correct maintenance on any parts that require cleaning. The user manual should also give advice on how often maintenance should be performed. Your bean-to-cup coffee machine is now ready to use.